Hi, in previous video we can see that how we can add the background image in a container, and now we can set container width and height also. So we can see how we can set the container and its heights manually. So select a container, and right side is property, currently infinity, width and height both are, but I want to add the 300, and height also I set here 300. So, and font size I decrease, I 26. Now we can see that containers wide, height and width both are changed. So see, first what we do, any container or any widget, for that right side width and height are shown there, we can manually set here. So this way we can configure width and height of any widget. So currently I change and go to the browser and do instant reload for checking a reflection of these changes. Now project is started. We can see that container height and width are changed, which is 300 height and 300 width. So this way we can change height and width of any container and any widget in a flutterflow UI.